I used to be the girl that would go and get her nails done every 2 weeks, but now I'm the girl that does my own nails at home. So watch me do them. So I am going to put on some X-Coat tips, DIY press-on nails. I get them from Amazon. The link is in my bio if you want to check out my whole nail folder. So at the beginning of the year, I decided that I wanted to learn how to do my own nails. I saw it online on TikTok, YouTube, and I was like, I think this is something that I can do since I was getting them done back to back all the time. And I started the beginning of this year, 2024, and I haven't stopped. And I've just gotten better and better. So you want to start off with prep nails. After they were prepped, I dehydrated them. And then now I'm going in with this gel glue. This glue set is from BT Art Box Nails, and it comes with a gel glue, builder gel, and a top coat. I recommend buying the 3-in-1 pack, and this just does wonders for my nails. So you want to start off by applying a gel glue coat on your actual nail. This, I don't want to say, I don't know the exact reason for this, but I feel like it helps it adhere better. And for me personally, I also feel like it helps protect my nail a little bit, um, because when I do the nail again and I put glue on the nail and put it on, it's like on a separate surface, if that makes sense. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I'll have all of my socials linked in the bio. But yeah, once I put the nail on, you want to angle it at a 45-degree angle, press it, hold it, and then individually cure it for about 15 to 30 seconds, a minute if you're extra like me. And so you see, I'm just applying the glue on the nail, and then I'm taking some of the excess glue and applying it at the very tip. Then I'm pressing it at a 45-degree angle. You want to make sure that that light is ready, so press the button, and then I cure it for 15 to 30 seconds, sometimes a minute, like mentioned before. And this is how the nails look on. So when I'm done applying them, I go in with my nail file and I just file off the excess tip of the nail from the packaging, you know, when you have to break them off. And you can also just put it to your desired shape, but I just take the excess part off. And after that, I go in with a narrow tweezer clipper and I remove the excess glue that comes up after pressing it down on the nail. So after curing it, it like bubbles a little bit. So I'll just take the clipper and remove it so you don't see it over time. Um, a lot of people ask questions about that on my TikTok feed. Like, how do you get rid of this? Just make sure when you do it, you take your time, because when removing this excess gel, it can sometimes lift up your nail depending on how deep it goes or the amount of like pressure that you're putting on it, or maybe it wasn't glued or cured long enough. So you just want to make sure that you take your time while doing this. So then it was time to go in with my builder gel. I love this. Make sure that you purchase this. I used to do my nails before buying this package, and I didn't use builder gel. And my nails, yeah, they would be glued on and last, but they would be beat up and so de-shaped from its original shape that you got to use the builder gel. It helps strengthen the nail, and it also helps it reduces the chances of it peeling to me. So that's why when you're putting it on, you'll see that I'm putting it on the sides of the nail and the tip of the nail to make sure that it has like that extra coat for strength. So this is an essential part that you don't want to skip. You want to use builder gel when you're doing your nails at home. Once that's all applied, I go in and I cure my nails all together for about a minute or more. And then it was time to go in with my top coat. So, you know, top coat is the top coat. This is like the final stretch. This is what helps the nail look shiny and presentable. So just take my time. I'm not the best nail polisher, but you know, since I've been practicing at the top of this year, I've gotten better. But luckily it's not color. I try to stay away from me having to like paint my own nails like with a full color. I just enjoy like the pre-made ones, whether it's like a color already, French tip, French color tip. But then to finish it all off, I go on with some cuticle oil and I put it on my cuticles. It gives it that nice finish shine, and I rub it into my skin. Really good and moisturizing. And once that's all done, these are my nails. I hope that you guys try this out on your own. Like I said, all of the equipment is in the link in my bio on Amazon, and I love it. It saved me a lot of time, money. I feel self-sufficient, and I can literally change my nails whenever I want. They last me about 2 to 4 weeks, and I'm very serious. Depending on how you apply them, the application, it can last a long time, and I just love having the power to change my nails whenever I want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more nail videos, let me know, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye. Love y'all. Mwah.